Hey guys, Chris here, also known as Mr. Thrifter, and I run a book/media removal service. Essentially what I do is I go and I pick up books or DVDs or whatever it is from anybody who doesn't want it anymore. I bring it back to my storage unit, and in there I go through it and see if I could potentially sell it on Amazon, eBay, and even Facebook Marketplace. So in this video, I'm going to be going through all this stuff I picked up today, and hopefully we find some really awesome winners. So going through this box, I found a book called Muffin Mania, which really didn't look like much, but oh my god, it sells great and has a great sales rank. I'm definitely going to sell that. Going through this box, it looked like I found a bunch of like Dutch books. I would assume it's Dutch. I don't know what the language is. There was this one English book called Christ the Lord. Everything else looked like it was a different language. A Chance to Live. I don't even know. None of these books scanned as anything of value to sell on Amazon, but I did find this pretty cool book, the best of the best, with this picture of asparagus on it. This box was filled with quilting books. I did end up selling this entire box for $10 to just one person who liked quilting, but nothing of value really out of this box here. This next box had a cool Michael Jackson book on top. I thought it was worth a lot of money, but it wasn't. And I got excited, and nothing else in this box really resonated. Nothing really sold well, so it was just really a waste. In this next box, I found this really cool thing. I don't know what it was. It was still sealed in a plastic. It was a baseball collector series 1998 photo, and it was signed by the player right on the front cover right there of the Ottawa Lynx. And it looked interesting. It was still sealed and had a marker there, so I kept it. So this next box had a bunch of like sexual awareness books for kids, like how to help your teenager postpone sexual involvement. It was a bunch of books that were supposedly for kids to stop sex until they're married. Obviously all from the same person. I just thought I'd share that with you guys. This next box actually had a weird little poster in it. It was a Maxwell House coffee brand poster, and on the back of it, there was a full-fledged picture of the Toronto Blue Jays team from the 1990s. So I just thought that was interesting and weird. Maybe it's worth something, maybe it's not, but I figured I'd hold on to it. Going through this box, I found a book that I have sold before, so I was really happy about that. It's a textbook. It's called Walk a Mile, and it sells for pretty good money with a pretty good rank, so I'm happy I found that. Going through the next box, I did find another textbook, a textbook that is worth over $100, definitely used, great sales rank, so happy I found this one. This is the first box I grabbed when I was in the thrift store. I saw these two really awesome kindergarten like curriculum activity books for teachers, and these things sell really well. I don't have a screenshot, but I know they sell well. So happy I found these. Going through this next box, right on top almost, I found this Louisiana kitchen cooking book. It's got an amazing sales rank. It sells for amazing money. Definitely gonna put this into the Amazon pile. So this next box was pretty stacked full of books, and I grabbed this one on top. I thought it was worth something, but it wasn't really worth that much. I looked through the books on this side, I looked through the books on this side, and right away I noticed that there was two 50 Shades of Grey books. Now these books don't really sell well on Amazon, but they sell pretty well on Facebook Marketplace, so I'm definitely going to keep those for that. I came back to this other side. I noticed that there was 3 books by the same author, Kat Martin. Definitely going to try to sell bundles like this on Facebook because that's where I could usually sell them. So this next box down here had a bunch of really weird stuff, and it had music CDs, it had some books. I found 4 copies of Heaven is for Real in this one box, and this book right here, Intelligent Memory, looked like it was worth a lot of money, but it just wasn't. And as I looked around and I dug through this box, I saw this home Bible study course. It was a full thing. I was just going to toss this, but I decided to look this up on eBay, and you know what? It actually sells for some pretty good money, so I'm definitely going to put this up on eBay. So right on top of this box, guys, there was 2 really good books. The first one being Life Principles Bible. Anything really with the NKJV logo is really good. And then this Dan Brown book, Angels and Demons. I usually collect everything I find of Dan Brown and then just sell it as a massive collection on Facebook Marketplace because that's where I usually make the most money with those types of books. This box had 3 really great books. The Dark Night of the Soul being the first one I found for Amazon FBA. The second one being Pillsbury, the Complete Book of Baking, and this book had amazing sales rank and sold for a lot of money. And the last one being this Embedding Formative Assessment book. Now these kind of books do really well on Amazon, like kindergarten, high school level education books like this always sell amazingly well on Amazon. I did go through the rest of the box, but unfortunately there was just nothing left in there, even though the books look pretty good from a visual standpoint. This box as well had a lot of books that looked good but just weren't. 10 choices there. We had some lunchbox salad book, another book called What I Learned as a Medical Journalist, and a Mary Higgins Clark book. Didn't really sell for much. Alright guys, time for a change of pace. This is a bag filled with movies and TV shows. Right on top is MASH Season 11 on DVD, so that's definitely a good sign of things to come. I saw this Batman CD in this case by itself. I saw an American Pie 2 movie party pack on DVD. Looks like I could probably sell that on Facebook if I really wanted to. These VHSs down here of Indiana Jones and the Raiders of the Lost Ark. Probably can't really sell that anywhere. I saw another VHS down here called Stay Tuned. And as I kept going through this bag, I saw at the very bottom down here, there was an entire collection of MASH on DVD. So very, very glad to see this. I don't know if this is the entire series or what, but I could definitely sell these individually on Amazon if I really wanted to, or I could even sell them as a bundle on Facebook Marketplace. Definitely there's money to be made with these DVDs right here. And right beside all of these DVDs was a huge box set of Band of Brothers. Initially I thought it was on DVD, but it was actually a VHS collection. Unfortunately, it's not worth as much as the DVD version, but I'm pretty sure there's collectors out there who would like to have Band of Brothers on VHS. I'm not sure if I can sell this on Amazon or eBay or Facebook Marketplace, but it does come really nicely in this little collection here. It opens up with this Velcro thing, this poster pops out, and it just looks really presentable. So I'm definitely going to see if I can sell this on some platform somewhere. And finally guys, we got this bag of some VHSs here. I tossed them, but I did find this copy of Chernobyl on DVD, which sold on Amazon for about $22. And in this next box, I did find a copy of Stephen King, Hearts in Atlantis. Whenever I find Stephen King books, I like to just stockpile them and sell them on Facebook Marketplace because that's usually how I make the most money with them. And as well, I did the same thing with Ken Follett books. Those bundles do pretty good. So that is it guys, that's everything we found this week. If you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'd appreciate it very much. I plan on making more videos like this real soon, so stay tuned. If you guys have any questions, just let me know down in the comments section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.